Alright, it is now time to cut a long layered haircut. You can see I've got a section down the middle of the back with two A-line sections that I am now using to comb the hair, comb that current section straight down to establish the outline. I'm going to work my way up the head to establish the outline. Once the outline is complete, then we will dive into the layering. Alright, so now that we've completed the outline on the left side, you can see it's now time to cut the outline on the right side. We're doing the exact same thing, taking sections, A-line sections, and basically combing that current section down, using the section that I had cut underneath the current section as my guide to know how short to cut the current section. You can see right there I'm holding the hair against the back with my hand so the hair doesn't move and I can get a nice precision outline. Once I've completed cutting the right side, we will dive into the layering. Alright, so we are going to start off the layering by doing the frame the face layering here in the front. You can see I'm combing that hair straight down. I'm going to hold the hair in my hand, and then I'm just going to freehand the desired angle that I'm looking for as far as the frame the face layer. So you can see right there, just kind of creating, just like a pencil to a paper. You're just going to freehand and sketch in the desired shape and outline that you're looking for. Only difference is I'm obviously doing it with hair and scissors. Alright, you can see the beautiful angle right there on the frame of the face layering on the right side. I'm just going to duplicate it on the left side. Again, holding the hair in my hands and freehanding in that desired outline. These frame the face layers make the front very light and give the hair a lot of body and volume so it's not hanging flat on your model's face. So they're able to push the hair back off their face, and it's going to be able to stay a lot better because it's a lot lighter. If you didn't do the frame the face layer, they could still dress it off their face, but the extra length is going to be extra heavy and create more of a flatter look. The hair is going to fall down in their face, where if you frame the face layers, it's going to be a lot lighter. Okay, so now it's time to do the layering in the back and through the rest of the interior of the haircut. You can see I've taken the center section, and now I'm taking another section, and I'm over-directing the current section to that first section I did, which was my guide, to basically cut in the exact same layers throughout the rest of the haircut. I'm going to execute these layers here on the left side, and then once I'm done, I will do the layering on the right side. Alright, so now that the layering on the left side is all done, you can see I'm doing some layering here on the right side, combing that hair straight back, over directing it to the previous section right there. You can see the guide underneath the current section, and then I basically just cut the current section the same length that I cut the previous section. That's how you ensure that your layers are all the same length all the way around the hair, that your outline's the same length. That's how you're going to keep the precision in your haircut, by making sure you're always cutting to your guide. It's when you start to lose your guide and cut the hair anyway, and now you don't have any consistency, and that's when the hair starts to look, well, not quite as it should. So by always making sure that you over-direct the hair to the previous section, you're ensuring that the hair is going to flow very nicely all the way around the haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of this layered haircut. Check out those layers, how light and full it makes the hair look. It's super light. My model had a lot of hair, very thick hair, but you can see the layers give it a lot of lightness. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down in the comment section below. If you liked it, hey, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As always, I want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Check out those layers. Alright.